Hi everyone. Today for this video we are going to talk about waste management with the topic specifically focusing on bottled water. This is Marketing 4320 and we are Jocelyn Chuong,
Viviana Castellanos,
Ivy Mach, Susan Tashchyan,
Jessica Guerrero.
First off, for our sustainability framework, we're going to talk about the concerns regarding with waste management. In addition to the sustainable method that can best be used to resolve these concerns. By definition, waste comes from discarded consumer-based products that were originally made from natural raw materials. To limit the amount of waste, recycling is a very good and sustainable option to opt for. Plastic is one example of a solid waste type that can have a lasting impact on the environment if it isn't recycled or disposed of correctly. Plastic can take up to 450 years to decompose and for it to fully break down. With regards to this type of waste, the bottled water industry is a big user of plastic. Based on the US water consumption statistic, people in the US consume a huge amount of bottled water, with over 1,500 bottled waters being consumed per second. Not only that, but US consumers consume up to 60% of plastic water bottles globally. Ultimately, what we can do to counter this negative impact is to replace the use of plastic with infinitely recyclable resources, which would then help decrease the use of plastic. One solution is to come up with a biodegradable water bottle made out of environmentally friendly resources, such as bamboo. If discarded, the bamboo water bottle will break down in a short amount of time, rather than staying on land for years as opposed to plastic water bottles. This makes it much more sustainable for both the environment and the consumers.
The microenvironment consists of three main actors. The market actors include customers that are demanding more sustainable water bottles, such as reusable bottles. Suppliers are providing methods to decrease or eliminate waste during the making of sustainable bottled water. Tap water is the main competitor, as most people are choosing to drink from the tap. Regulations on tap water have vastly improved, and the public is becoming more aware of these regulations, making tap water the preferred choice. Public actors include the media. Coverage of the effects plastic water bottles have on the environment have increased public concern, resulting in the support of more sustainable bottled water. Online communities effectively spread topics of concern such as plastic waste, while also spreading solutions or new products like our own. The government serves as the political actor. Regulations on tap water must continue to improve. Also, the regulation on plastic bottles and the companies that produce them must increase. The government is also able to pass laws or taxes on plastic bottle companies that do not follow sustainable measures. Within the macro environment, we have the natural environment. For the natural environment, an impact assessment will be done on the product. However, the impact should be minimal since it is an all-natural product that is also contributing to plant growth. Socio-cultural concerns from consumers focus on issues such as global warming and plastic waste. Since our product is made completely from a plant, there will be zero plastic waste. The product also provides opportunity to plant another plant, which in return creates more oxygen for the planet. Technology will come into use as a method of communication between our product and consumers. It will allow our product to be produced and disposed of in an environmentally friendly way. The International Bottled Water Association is working towards creating more sustainable regulations. Our product will become a stepping stone to improve on the regulations that they already have in place. The steady economic growth of our country will allow consumers to purchase more sustainable products. The price point of our product will not be significantly higher than other bottles, helping make sure that the product is accessible to consumers.
The target market includes environmentally conscious consumers between the ages of 13 to 40 and individuals who live in single-family households. Consumers between the ages of 13 to 40 are generally more environmentally conscious, more likely to purchase sustainable products, and recycle more. Single-family homes are also a desirable target market because they are more cautious on what they consume and what they provide to their children. The habits young adults develop follow them for the rest of their lives. To change the way individuals act, we must target younger audiences to ensure proper education on environmentally friendly lifestyles. By educating younger audiences, we are able to break the norm on waste management before they become a habit. Young adults are more willing to pay a bit more for better ethical conditions of their products because they are more aware of the consequences of pollution and waste.
Consumers are constantly demanding products to be more sustainable, calling to reduce our carbon footprint. Two of the most impactful phases in a bottle's life is before you purchase the bottle and after it has been consumed. The solution we came up with is a biodegradable water bottle made out of bamboo, and we will call it Treeboo. Bamboo is a sustainable plant due to its fast growth and its ability to grow without fertilizer. Bamboo is antibacterial and water resistant. Both these features make it a superior product for our bottles. According to Alternative Energy, pollution is also reduced with bamboo cultivation, as the plants reduce up to 35% carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and produce more oxygen. Also, it consumes high quantities of nitrogen, and this can help reduce water pollution. Hence, it's good to grow bamboo alongside industrial areas where it will convert wastewater into nutrients for its own growth.
Communication plays an important part in the sustainability strategy to promote the values and objectives of a company. Our objective for the project is to encourage consumers to minimize their usage on disposable bottles and promote a more sustainable lifestyle. To do that, we will utilize public relations such as news stations to have them do a segment on our new product as an innovation to the bottled water industry that gives back to the environment. We will also have an online website that informs the consumers all about the product and its breakdown. There will be a counter on our website as a way to let the consumers know how much plastic is being conserved by not using plastic bottles when consumers opt for our product, and the total cost of our bottle compared to plastic bottles. We want the consumers to know that our product is a zero-waste product that gives back to the environment. Customer cost considers the psychological, social, and environmental aspects of obtaining, using, and disposing of a product for the consumer. The purchase cost of our product is the time it takes to research about our product, going into the grocery store to find the product, the transportation costs, and its perceived risks. Some perceived risks associated with our products include the time spent looking for the product, the risk that the product may not live up to what is intended, and that the seed may not grow. There is no cost associated with the usage of the product, but the post-use cost of the product will include the time and space for the product to decompose, such as in a composting bin, a pot and soil for the product, the time it takes for the consumer to plant the product, waiting for it to grow, and the resources to maintain the product. The switching cost includes having to get used to throwing away your bottle in a composting bin opposed to a recycling bin. The product will follow a value-based pricing. Since the product is new and interactive, the value will be based on the experience of the product. It will target consumers who follow a low-cost lifestyle who are often willing to pay higher for the perceived value.
For customers' use, the product will be conveniently available online and in stores. By being available both online and in stores, it will be beneficial to consumers who are looking for the same easy process as the plastic water bottle offers. Purchasing the bamboo bottles will be similar to plastic ones. They'll be sold in bulk or individual sale and have the option to customize the seed. By educating the consumers online, it allows for those who are environmentally friendly to learn more about the product. Bamboo bottles are more efficient and durable during the usage state, attracting more buyers. For the post-customer use, bamboo bottles are more sustainable due to the decomposing time of 300 days versus 450 years for plastic bottles. The issue with plastic bottles is when you toss one, it causes pollution and waste, making it not sustainable. When tossing a bamboo bottle, there will be no negative impact to the environment. As raw materials in landfills become scarce, owing to the increase in the world's population and higher demand, the take-make-waste rationale will slowly be substituted by the cradle-to-cradle approach. Cradle-to-cradle design is a key element to make efficient use of natural resources and reduce the total environmental impacts on products along with the entire life cycle.
Creating a sustainable brand ensures our product is branded to signify to the consumer a form of special added value in terms of environmental and social benefits. We would be a new sustainability brand and product category to millennials who care for the environment and the impact we have on the world. Treeboo would benefit the customer because it gives the consumer a seed to plant and produces health benefits, since bamboo doesn't release chemicals over time like plastic bottles.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on bottled water. This marks the end of our video for Marketing 4320 for the spring semester of 2018. Thank you all again for watching. From our group, Jocelyn Chuong,
Viviana Castellanos,
Ivy Mach,
Susan Tashchyan,
Jessica Guerrero.